Yeah, this floor, I'm not sure whether it was from condensation from the toilet or whether the last guy didn't seal it well. But all this floor in here is just so wet and it's got mold on it. What I'm going to do is pull out this one section of particle board, allow the decking underneath it to dry, and then I'll replace a new piece of decking and then finish putting the linoleum squares back over it and then replace the toilet.
Go ahead and take some off.
As you can see, it's so wet, this old particle board just falls apart. I can't even pull it up as a piece of wood. And had we not addressed this issue, it would have continued to saturate this decking and eventually undermine the floor joists and the structural integrity of this bathroom. And we would eventually end up sitting on the toilet, on top of the toilet in the basement. And that was just so rusted, it just came apart. So now that we've removed all of the rotted decking, I've replaced it with new plywood, 5/8 inch decking, and I will then begin to lay the rest of the tiles over the top of it.
And here installed is the finished toilet. The linoleum is all in. The toilet is installed properly. It does not leak. And it works. So, that's an installation of the toilet at 330 Yellow Pine Drive, Bailey, Colorado. August 2010. Last day completed project, September 1st.
Alright, so here's the cat room. It just smells really bad like cat urine. We took up the carpet and actually found a lot of cat urine damage. It's actually been here for a month and that's still wet. It really stinks in here. As you can see, there's a lot around the edges. A lot of urine. Oh, it's just like the color of carpet because it's been soaked with urine. Then, register is actually soaked with cat pee. That it ate a hole through. Probably a male unneutered cat. I love cats, but some of my favorite creatures, but you gotta get them neutered. Just lots of cat urine. Carpet was soaked with it. Closet's not too bad. Actually, the closet's the best part. So we're gonna put down, to sand it, put down kills, and my friend's gonna install some new carpet. And then took out all the staples out of the ground for the, what do you call that carpet? It goes under the carpet, the padding. And just painted it over with some kills.
To kill the smell from the cats.
Yeah, it was really bad.
Okay. So here is the new carpet that we had installed. As you can see, the base molding I reinstalled. I kept the old base molding. Krista's right now cleaning out one of the registers. We've had to do that to every one of the registers. They just were so filthy with whether it was cat urine or hair or whatever they were. So the guy that did the carpet for us picked out a nice color. It's not the exact same as what was in here before, but it is new. It has new padding, and the base molding is reinstalled. So we'll put the cover back on that heater, and then this room will be habitable for Sophia.